Yeah.
The bird.
I'm taking a shot at this, dog. I ain't got no business doing it, but I'm taking a shot.
Hey, look what's going on. You going around too?
Yeah, I'm going around too, man.
This is the Vermont Dragway right here. Window, chance, that's 85 Firebird Pontiac.
Look at the bird.
Not bad, Chuck G, for not running that good.
Man, I tell you. Hey, take advantage of that test session, huh?
Yeah,
free entry.
well.
You can't beat it.
Might as well.
Now I'm getting y'all something to look at when you get old.
Yeah.
You can look at this 20 years down the road.
You filming all this?
Yeah. I got DVDs too. So when I get back home, I'll call you up.
What do you need?
My neck.
Yeah, Chuck, I will.
This is something else here.
I'm taking a shot at this, dog. I ain't got no business doing it, but I'm taking a shot.
Hey, look what's going on.
We can video each other, dog.
That's right. Hey.
What's up,
Long time to make it.
Peace out. What's going on?
Congratulations, man.
But the bird ain't the one to be bothered with, man.
That's special, man.
Bird ain't right, though. He still ain't. The bird ain't
I know, but that's still special for y'all to do that.
Bird ain't really right.
That's special, man. That's a long time.
It's on, baby. It's on.
No, man.
All the way.
That's good.
We need our picture taken now. Hey, damn
where the
right.
cameraman at?
The winner circle over here.
We gotta find the cameraman.
Huh? Yeah.
We they told you?
Yeah, let me see that.
They ain't hunters, but they're better than singles.
take a turbo out. We've been sitting around in the bushes all this
Our
time.
partner told us he was coming down here.
What I say?
Do some tuning. And if we look good, we're gonna race little mama.
With a bad cop.
If he don't want to do nothing, we're gonna try some of that free money. And that's what he did. He went out there and got that free money.
Hey, I already knew he was gonna win, man, because the man wasn't coming up here to run it. I had to go back there and ask him. And he said, yeah, man, fuck it.
You gotta go.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
Fuck it. We'll get in there.
It's all good, baby. It's all good.
Kids know where they're at.
She ain't probably know.